Someone needs to feed the parrot. I don't know what that, do you know what that makes sense?
Yeah.
Someone needs to feed the parrot.
Quirky.
He's not being taken care of like he should be. It's
Oh.
kind of making me mad.
Okay, I will let them know that.
Something about a dog, too. A little dog.
Well,
No one had to do that to that dog.
oh, Chico.
That was my baby. Your dad should have kept him. Did you guys put the dog to sleep?
No, we didn't. He's actually with Karen.
He doesn't like it there.
He
The
doesn't.
dog needs to go back to your dad.
I see a horse.
You see a horse?
I see a horse.
Is there a horse that died at the ranch recently? Maybe
months
one,
ago.
one you were close to?
Yes, Tinkerbell.
Was it like a tan horse?
Yes.
Okay, I think I see Tinker.
Brown.
This is like a light color brown tan, not a dark brown.
She was more medium brown to dark brown.
Well, maybe I'm just seeing her wrong. Sometimes they come in with light, so they look lighter and pale. But I think it may be Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, well, whatever it was, if it was, she's not telling me her name. But she liked you. She's thankful you came there.
Good. I walked her and I got her to poop. They call me the shit whisperer at the bar.
Well, maybe that's why she remembers you, because that had to feel good.
Yeah.
She's running around in a circle now.
That's why we walked her in a circle and she's running in a circle now.
Yeah, is that how you got her to shit?
Yep, walking in a circle. Just keep walking them and walking them and walking them.
Oh, she really loved you.
Oh.
She's gonna be there when the day that you cross. You'll see her again.
Oh.
She'll be there.
Oh, my little Tinkerbell.